Do you remember our special friends AU and AW and the sound they make? Ah, ah. Today we are going to learn how to read this word because, and how to write it. Yeah, how our brains learn to read and write. So, first of all, let's break this word into the syllables. Just like you and me, we have parts of the body, we have arms, we have head, and different parts of the body. The words have parts too, and these parts they call syllables. Let's see how many syllables are in this word. Because. Let's count with me. Because. How many? Two parts. Okay, let's break it together. Because. So syllable number one is B. It's an open syllable. That's why the vowel say its long sound. It says its name. Yeah? Vowel. Now, the next one, the second syllable. I see special friends. A, k, a, s. Because. Yes? So because. And why do I have silent E here? Why? The silent E has lots of jobs, and one of the jobs to show that this word is not plural. It's just one because. Like you say, a finger, more than one, fingers. A marker, more than one, markers. So this superhero E is here to show that it's just one word, because. And we're going to learn about other words as well, where you will find silent E after letter S, like in horse, like in nurse. Yes? Okay, but today we're learning how to write the word because. And I want you to try to write the word because by yourself. Remember to break it into syllables first. It's easier to write B. First you write the B. And remember that the vowel will say its long sound. It will say its name. Yeah? Big. Special friends AU. Don't use AW because AW sound you will see in the short words when it's at the end of the words. Yeah, like in Po or Joe and such words. Because no English words end with the letter U. Okay? So, and in the comments below, please let me know, was it easy to learn how to write? And remember also, repetition is the key. You have to watch this video and try at least 3, 4, or maybe even 5 times. This is how our brain learns to do anything, not just reading, writing, speaking, and everything.